Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache and RAM on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So if your Redmi Note Pro is having some issues, so it's running slow or maybe it's lagging on some of the apps, then you need to clear cache on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up security. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find the cleaner. So this will basically clear your cache and RAM. Go ahead and tap on this. Now let it analyze your phone. And now once it analyzed it, it basically tells you it can clean up 20 megabytes of space. So go ahead and tap on this. Now once that is done, the cleaner tool has cleared your cache and RAM on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So there you go guys, that is how to clear cache and RAM on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.